if f of a plus x is equal to f of a minus x, then f of x is symmetrical about x is equal to a. Is that correct? If you look at this question, function f of x is equal to 0 has 8 distinct real solution, and f also satisfy f of 4 plus x is equal to f of 4 minus x. Sum of 8 solutions of f of x is equal to 0 is, see, it is given f of 4 plus x is equal to f of 4 minus x. F of x must be symmetric about x is equal to 4. Is that correct? See here, f of x must be symmetric about x is equal to 4. So, how will be the roots? Suppose f of x is equal to 0 are the roots. For f of x is equal to 0, the root should be, let us say, if one root is 4 minus alpha, another root will be 4 plus alpha. Is that correct? So, 4 minus alpha is one root, then other root should be 4 plus alpha. But it has got 8 distinct solutions. Therefore, if one root is 4 minus alpha, other root is 4 plus alpha, the next can be 4 minus beta, 4 plus beta, 4 minus beta, 4 plus beta. Totally we got 4 solutions. Then let us say 4 minus gamma, 4 plus gamma, and then what else we have? 4 minus delta, 4 plus delta. I will just write 4 plus or minus delta because there is no space. So, totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 solutions here. So, these are the 8 solutions. Sum of all the solutions, if we add, what happens? Alpha alpha cancels, beta beta cancels, gamma gamma cancels, delta cancels with delta. Add, what happens? 4 into, there are totally 8 terms, 4 8s are 32. So, therefore, sum of all the solutions is equal to 32. Option B is correct. See how simple the logic is, right? I hope you are understanding this. Please make a note of this. We can go to the next question. Next question is, the number of solutions to tan x is equal to mx if m is greater than 1. Dear students, first you should know the graph of y is equal to mx, and when m is greater than 1, what happens? This is y axis and x axis, right? This is y is equal to x. When x is 1, y is 1. This point is 1, 1. When x is pi by 4 is less than 1, correct? Y is also pi by 4. Correct? Pi by 4 comes here. No, this is not pi by 4. Pi by 4 is here. Do you agree with me? Pi by 4, pi by 4. Yeah, this is pi by 4, pi by 4. I repeat this. This is 1, 1. Right? This is 1, this is 1, this is pi by 4, pi by 4. Greater than 1, y is, m is greater than 1 means you will get a line like this. This is another line where m is greater than 1. If m is greater than 1, you will get lines like this. You will get a family of lines for m greater than 1. So, that you should know, dear students. Now, our concentration is on y is equal to tan x, x belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is minus pi by 2, this is plus pi by 2. Now, you have to observe carefully, dear students, right? I will draw the graph of y is equal to tan x between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 here. Try to concentrate properly. Right? This is minus pi by 2, this is plus pi by 2. The graph is clearly like this. When very crucial point is this, pi by 4. When x is pi by 4, tan x is 1, correct? This point is pi by 4 comma 1. Can you tell me where exactly you have pi by 4 comma pi by 4? Pi by 4 is less than 1, correct? Do you agree with me? Pi by 4 is less than 1. Pi by 4 comma pi by 4 is this point, because pi by 4 is less than 1. So, this point is pi by 4 comma pi by 4. And where is 1 comma 1? Pi by 4 is greater than 1. Pi by 4 is less than 1. 1 is greater than pi by 4. So, this is 1 comma 1. Is it correct? So, this is pi by 4 comma pi by 4. This is 1 comma 1. With this understanding, let us draw the same graph on this particular line. See, this is x is equal to y is equal to pi by 2, right? And this is pi by 4 and this is pi by 4. And when x is equal to pi by 4, you will get it as 1. Is it correct? Pi by 4, you will get it as 1. I am drawing tan x graph now. Is that correct? So, it is clearly like this. If you observe carefully, any line whose slope is greater than 1 definitely meets this y is equal to tan x at origin and apart from origin at this point, some point here, and this will also meet here. That means to say a line which is having slope greater than 1 will be definitely a secant to the curve. It meets the curve at x is equal to 0, and apart from that a value or any value greater than 1 at first quadrant, 1 in third quadrant, you will have a solution. Therefore, that clearly says there are 3 solutions for this. Understood? F of x is equal to 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3. Find f of x plus f of minus 6. Very simple question. Let us solve this easily. F of 1 plus f of 0 is what? What I am doing is I am just putting x is equal to 1. F of 1 is 9 divided by 9 plus 3. 9 power 1 by 9 plus 3. Plus f of 0 is 9 power 0, 1 by 1 plus 3. 9 by 9 plus 3 is 9 by 12. 1 by 1 plus 3 is 1 by 4. 9 by 12 is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 1. Option A is correct. Understood? See how simple the logic is, right? If you know mathematics, it is a cakewalk for you to clear your JEEs and getting best rank in your state level CETs. Hope you are understanding this. Now let us go to the next question. Please make a note of this.
ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ದೀವಿಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೂರಾರು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ.